Hey everybody, Freedom here. Just get ready to do some more work on the wagon here. Disconnected the battery, and I'll show you what I've got going on here. Excuse my lack of garage again. I'm out under the carport. Well, it's shelter, so you know what? Not complaining. Anyway, nothing wrong with this vinyl wheel. I'm not even changing it just because the paint's kind of wearing thin there, but I got this complete score off of Facebook Marketplace. It is a factory leather Adriatic blue, or medium blue, or whatever. It's the same color as this interior. Leather steering wheel. OEM. I'm gonna swap it out. Check this out, still has the plastic on it. Sucker's pretty. It's gonna look fantastic right in there. So here's the step-by-step. Not that I've done this before, but got my steering. This here is a T30. There is a screw bolt right back here, and on the other side, same spot. Get you on there. There we go. This should unbolt the airbag. Please disconnect the battery before you do this. I think I did.
Oh my God!
Boy, does that feel good. Airbag light's still on though.